All right, now we are on our last section. So now can you actually take those word models and produce the wave itself? So I'm going to go over 2 examples of how to do that. Alrighty, so now we're going to create a graphical model of a wave. And this wave has, we are told to create a 2 hertz wave with an amplitude of 4. And we need to assume that each box is 1/4 of a second. So first thing I like to do is go through and mark off where is each second. The reason I like that is if we have a frequency, that's the number of waves per second. So we'll know how many complete waves need to happen in between each of these marks. So every 4 boxes would be 1 second. So there's my 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second mark. All right, so now we need to understand what does a 2 hertz wave mean? And that means there are 2 waves every second. Writing with the mouse is hard. All right, so in this, we need 2 complete waves per second, and we also want an amplitude of 4. So remember that this is the height. So this is our 0 line. So each box can represent 1 amplitude. So we need to go all the way up to 4 and all the way down to 4. And we need 2 complete waves. So it's going to look something like this. Hopefully with your pencil it's going to look nicer than my attempt at using a mouse to write. Oh my goodness. So we have 1 wave there and a second wave all before 1 second. So then we just need to finish this sucker off.
Should I call Zach and ask what his blocker combination is?
So up, down, up. There's 1 wave. There's 2 waves per second. There's 1 wave. 2 waves per second. 1 wave. And 2 waves per second. Again, I'm going to hope that you guys can use your pencil better than I can this mouse. That's a pretty iffy looking wave. All right, but let's take a look at one where you're not given frequency, but you're given a period. So a wave with a period of 1 second and an amplitude of 2, what does that mean? So remember that period is how long 1 wave takes. So each second is 1 wave, is what that statement means. So now let's set up our box again. So every 4 boxes is 1 second. Done. And this is asking for an amplitude of 2. So remember that this is our 0 line. An amplitude of 2 would be 1, 2. So our waves need to come up to here. And 1 wave in 1 second. So here's 1 second. So I need to complete up and down with an amplitude of 2 every second. Up, down, second. That's a period of 1 second. As a little bonus, what would the frequency be? How many waves per second are there? 1. So this would be a 1 hertz wave. That'd be the same. All right. Good luck on drawing your waves.